When you're hoping to get pregnant, there are a few ways to start tracking your fertility. You could use ovulation predictor kits or track your menstrual cycle using a calendar or an app. But did you know that taking your temperature each morning can help too? This is called the basal body temperature method, and it can help you determine which days of the month you're most likely to get pregnant. It works like this. Each month, your ovaries release an egg in a process known as ovulation. The days leading up to ovulation are known as your fertile window, the short period of time when pregnancy is possible. Knowing when you ovulate can help you identify your most fertile days. That's because after you've ovulated, your body temperature rises just a little bit thanks to a rise in the hormone progesterone. Tracking your body temperature, then, can help you figure out when ovulation occurs. To use this fertility tracking method, you record your basal body temperature, or the temperature of your body when you're completely at rest, for at least 3 menstrual cycles. This can reveal patterns that will help you guess what time of the month you usually ovulate. To do it, you'll need a special thermometer designed for basal body temperature. Keep it on your nightstand, and on the first day of your period, take your temperature as soon as you wake up, before you even get out of bed. Continue to do this every morning until you get your next period. For the most accurate results, take your temperature at the same time every day. To record the results, you may want to use a graph or a fertility tracking app that allows you to compare each day's temperature. Your goal is to figure out which day of your menstrual cycle your temperature usually rises. When you see higher temperatures for at least 3 days in a row, you can assume that you've ovulated. Most pregnancies occur when intercourse takes place during the 3 days leading up to ovulation. But with the basal body temperature method, you won't know you've ovulated until it's already happened. That's why it's so important to identify patterns over the course of a few cycles, because it can help you understand when you're likely to start ovulating each month. And that can inform when you have sex in order to try to get pregnant. Doctors typically recommend having sex every day for the 4 days before you expect to ovulate. Keep in mind that it may take a few cycles before you start to see a pattern, especially because basal body temperature only rises about 0.5 degree Fahrenheit after ovulation. You may want to combine the basal body temperature method with other fertility awareness methods. This will give you the best chances of understanding your menstrual cycle so that you can reach your goal of achieving pregnancy.